One of my subscribers sold more than 50 copies of this particular digital product within 10 days. For privacy reasons, I don't want to disclose the earnings that she shared with me, but let's just say it's in the thousands. She told me that she sold 3 different types of digital products for beginners, and that is what I'm about to share with you today, right now, to give you a chance to replicate her success. If she can do it, you can do it too. You don't have to sell on Etsy or Gumroad either, nor do you have to use Instagram to sell your products. In this video, I'm going to share what these 3 ideal digital products are that she sold and made thousands of dollars, and why they performed so well. And it's not PLR, it's not master resell rights products or any courses. Let's just say that these products are different. A lot of creators still don't understand how appealing it is to sell bundles. And that is where we start this video. People love to know that they're getting value for their money, so they would be more attracted to bundles. What are bundles, you may be asking? This is when you combine more than one product and they're all related, and they all can fix the same problem or pain point. For example, let's say that you're selling an ebook about how to improve productivity in your business. And then you would bundle that, I should say, with a productivity checklist and a worksheet and the ebook. All of these together make sense, right? Even if you're a beginner, this concept is a winner. I know. You might be thinking, oh, Cheryl, that's a lot of work. Well, don't worry. I got you. Creative Fabrica will be your go-to. It has thousands of digital products for beginners that you can actually edit and put your name on it and make it your own. And the products are from various niches, so you can sign up with Creative Fabrica and start from there. I will leave a link for Creative Fabrica in the description. But here's the deal, and I hate to break this news to you. However, no matter if you create your digital product from scratch or you use Creative Fabrica, if your product has a lot of value, but it is not different from the other generic products on the internet, it just won't sell. Bottom line. Secondly, your product has to solve a problem or it won't sell either. You can't just be putting out information that people can get from ChatGPT or YouTube. You have to give people step-by-step guidance, the resources and tools to use. Show them how to do something to get out of their pain faster. For some people, they might need ongoing support after they make that purchase from your bundle. So give them that option as well. Most potential buyers won't hesitate to make a purchase if you offer them easy, efficient, and fast ways to solve their problem. Your product should be a must-have to your potential buyer. If you want to make your digital product irresistible to your buyers, here is what you do first. Identify the problem. If you have to study it enough to know the exact solution to provide, then do that. Don't just give one piece of advice or solution. Break it down in little steps and components. In other words, what are the different elements to how do I solve each element? You know what I mean? It sounds complex, but a little at a time. Make it doable. Let's say, here's an example. Let's say a busy single mom wants a solution of how she can handle 2 small children and still maintain a 9-to-5 job without so much stress. You could provide her with a Notion template or planner to plan and execute activities for each day for her and the kids. You could also add prompts she could use in ChatGPT if she wasn't sure about a particular issue she was having with her kids, such as how to get the kid's father to help out. You would be surprised how ChatGPT could give a viable solution to the mom, depending on the specific prompt that she used. And that could be one of the main solutions she's looking for. She needs help. So you would be offering that busy single mom a system instead of just another digital product guide. And that's what my subscriber did to make 50 sales in 10 days. And her sales are increasing every single day. And guess what? I put together a bundle. Yes, a bundle that you can use with over 540 plus prompts to feed the AI, whether it's ChatGPT or Claude.ai, so that it can do all that heavy lifting for you and come up with digital product ideas for your niche. You can grab that from the link in the description. If bundles aren't your thing, because everybody doesn't like the same thing, this next digital product might be your ticket to monthly recurring income. And guess what that is? Memberships. You might be thinking, oh my goodness, Shirley, I don't have time for that. Wait, hear me out. Here is a pro tip to start your membership in less than 24 hours without creating new content. Upload templates from Creative Fabrica to your membership platform. And you can use platforms like School, SKOOL, WOP, WHOP, or Discord as the membership platform. I did a whole video about how to use WOP. You can go check out that playlist. Now, you could record short videos using Loom and then schedule weekly calls on your Notion dashboard, which is really easy to do. I did a video also on Notion, how to use it. Ask your members while you're on the weekly membership calls, what exactly do they need, and use that information to create new content. You have to give them what they ask for, and that is the trick, because then you won't be second guessing. And don't sleep on Pinterest either, because you can use that platform to get new members to sign up who may be interested in your niche. The good thing about membership is that you get paid every single month. It's one of those solid digital products for beginners. You get to decide whether to offer tools, resources, products, or just content. And you are forming a community. You're building up a community of like-minded people. Now, those members don't have to look elsewhere for their solution because you become the go-to person. That's sinking. Now, here's how you would launch your membership site. Figure out what you already have to offer. And if you want to use ChatGPT to help you, I would recommend that you do. You can even use Creative Fabrica's product inventory so you don't have to create from scratch. Then you are going to choose a delivery platform, a format, and a style. Be realistic and practical about this decision, though. Think about it seriously. Now, if you don't want to commit to memberships or bundles, here's something else that you can launch in under 48 hours, and that is creating a masterclass. And before you roll your eyes at me, I see you. Hear me out. Masterclasses can be fun. They are fun. That's when the attendees get exactly what they came for. You can just be yourself, laid back, authentic. You don't need any fancy gear either. You don't even need planning or setup. And you can provide the attendees with a transformative experience. You can start with an idea for your masterclass, and by the time you're done, that same masterclass becomes a finished product that you can sell and you can monetize in less than 48 hours. It's the fastest framework to create a digital product. So here's how it's done in 3 quick steps. Find a problem that you can solve. In your masterclass, you are not going to teach the attendees everything. You are only going to talk about that one problem and that one solution. Remember, this is not a course, so you only need about 4 to 5 talking points. Next, you're going to create a script. Use ChatGPT if you have to, and then record the script without editing it. Make sure your delivery is clear and on point. And when you're done, you just use that same recording as a masterclass and sell it afterwards as a digital product. It's that simple. You can also do a live masterclass if that's preferable. It achieves the same results. You can offer it paid or free. Once you're done, you can create the product from the masterclass recording and then put it up on a platform like Gumroad or Beacons to get sales. And remember now, that subscriber who made that 50 sales in 10 days, she started with bundles, but now she's moving into memberships as well because this works. And she realized it was one of the best digital products for beginners to start. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. How do you turn these ideas into sales, you may be asking? Yes. How do you sell these products? How do you get traffic to them? Well, if you want to learn more about marketing and selling your digital products, then that is what I talk about in the next video. You don't want to miss it. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. I will see you in that next video. Make sure you're there. Take care now.